Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So it's a beautiful day out, and I think I'm gonna clean up all of this and put some more daisy seed in and see if they'll come up next year or not. I don't know, but I just have those zinnias to clean up. There's some yarrow, there's some things that really weren't supposed to be growing over here. You can kind of tell where the brown and black-eyed Susans start. They're still up there. So I'm just gonna clean from there to down about where I'm standing and plant some daisy seed. That's what's up today in zone 5 on the flower farm. Okay, that looks a lot better. So I think just from right here at the black-eyed Susans, I'm going to just put daisies in all of these holes. And then these are already daisies that came up last year, and then I removed the landscape fabric so hopefully they could get bigger and mulched it, which is causing a lot of weed growth, but I think I pulled a lot of the weeds out of the area. And hopefully someday this is just a patch of daisies. So I'll go ahead and get those seeds in the ground, and then I'll run up the row and tell you which ones I planted. Okay, that's done. I got it. I put all the Robinson mix in because I thought, well, it'd be nice if it was a mix of colors. And I had like 1,000 of those seeds, so I just put it all in and I sprinkled a few among the ones already there. And that's it. So now this entire row is done for now. I might have to come and put actual plants in the ground if these don't take off. And then the next row is done. The next row, the yarrow is all there. Unfortunately, I do see a lot of weeds growing in the yarrow, and I think when I pull the weeds, I might pull some yarrow plants. So I'm gonna come back to that after I get all the seeds I want planted. I'll come back and I'll pull any of those weeds, and then I'll just throw some yarrow seeds in the hole for next year. And then the salvia row, I had 35 spots left at the end, and I think I'm going to do some more daisies. I didn't have a lot of daisies last year. I only had a few, but they were great when I used them, and I do have some people that told me they were their favorite flower. So, and I had a friend in college, and it was her favorite flower. So I think that daisies really are flowers that people love. So I think this is just a little section, and obviously I hope like some of them hopefully come back that I had last year, plus I get more. I'm going to start some in the basement, but I'm going to go ahead and fill that that fourth row over, those last 35 holes. I'm just going to put daisies in them, and then all I'll have left is the lupine row, which I already planted the lupine all along there, and then the lupine that's growing. And then I was going to clean up a little bit of the lupine row to plant seeds in January because that won't be easy here. I don't even know how that's even done here. I think the ground's going to be frozen, and there could even be snow covering the ground, so I can't even get to the holes. So I don't know about that one. So I'll probably do these daisies, and then my next task will be to go over and start cleaning up what's inside the deer fence and possibly planting some bells of Ireland and stuff. But I'll get this done today, and then those will probably be tomorrow or the rest of the week. So getting things done. I'll take you over there and update you on the daisies. I might just use this Robinson mix again, and maybe some of the Robinson red. I have 1,000 of those seeds as well. And the other ones I only have like 100 seeds or so, so I think I'm going to stick to starting those in the basement. But I'm going to go unload my truck, and then I'll get to that. Okay, since it's only like 30 holes, I'm just gonna do all Robinson rows. It feels so good to have all these rows pretty much done. I mean, the lupine and baby's breath row is just kind of a hodgepodge, but I'll get there someday. I think tomorrow I'll start on doing some of the stuff inside the deer fence. I wonder if bells of Ireland I could actually do out here. But we'll see. I'll probably put them over there somewhere, either in the deer fence or in the garden over. I'll do some research tonight. Last year I did not have any luck with the bells of Ireland, so maybe seeding them this fall will help. I'll probably still start some inside under grow lights, and we'll just go from there. But anyway, I plan on being back at it tomorrow, a little bit at a time. It seems like my days are slowing down a bit. I mean, it's getting light later, it's getting dark earlier. I'm running my dogs again in the mornings, so I'm not getting quite as much done as I do in the middle of summer when I have more light and less responsibility, but still just working away to get little pieces done here and there. And I hope I have a beautiful field next year. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.